Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying. Well, I just got back in from Target and Home Depot. Oh Lord, I am tired and I am hot. Today is not going to be a garage declutter, because if you've seen from the last video, I am almost done. But going through a lot of my boxes, I am pulling out my craft stuff now, and I have no storage. So I decided to go to Target, and I will show you the 6 cube organizer. I picked 2 of those up for $29.99, and the total was $62.06 is what I spent for the 2 cubes. And then I said, well, I'm gonna have these 2 cubes, but I will also would like to you know, have a board on top, that way I can use it for my sewing machine, you know, do DIYs, as I know y'all tired of my videos be shaking, because they be unstable of how I have you know, my cameras hooked up. So I went to Home Depot and I found this white melamine board, and I mean, it was huge for only $32.44. But let me just show you what you're going to need for this project. Okay, I'm not sure of the prices. You can go online and check, or just go to your Home Depot or your Lowe's. So I figure once I put the 6 cube organizer together, I'm going to put it on wheels, because once I get this garage really organized and get the carpet laid down, I want to be able to wheel that table, this organizer, you know, around to the plug outlet. For I got five wheels, and I believe these were $4.88 a piece. Yeah, that's a lot, but I needed them, because nobody's doing all that heavy lifting no more and pushing stuff. So I figure I'm going to get the wheels. Got a pack of screws. I got these Mending plates, and this is going to make that 6 cube organizer a little bit more stable, so it doesn't buckle in. I'm going to show you where I'm going to place these at. And then I just got some L brackets, and that is the board that's going to be like for my makeshift craft table. Don't worry about the stuff on the floor, because y'all know I'm in here cleaning. Alright, so I went to Lowe's and I found a better deal on the wheels. These are the ones that I am using now. You get 2 in the pack for $5.88 versus paying, I believe it was $4 and some change at Home Depot for an individual wheel. So I took all 5 of those back, and something else that I purchased, and end up getting a $31 credit. So if you're going to do this project, check Lowe's first. For these wheels, it is much cheaper. So I'm just going to install 4 wheels on here, and then I'll be back. so I have the wheels on. Mending plates. We're gonna put them across here. Right back. Alright, so I got my mending plates. Get 4 in the pack. And I am just going to place these. Space them out. Make sure everything is lined up. I got the mending plates on now. It's not jiggly, it's together. And it's one big box. Turn it this way. Very, very nice. Now you got your piece of wood on here. I can utilize it as it's going to be my craft desk, my sewing machine. When I do my bargain hunting videos for you guys, I can put my clamps on so the videos are no longer shaking anymore. It is fabulous. And then when I'm all done, I can either just push it out the way or lift this up. I'm not going to put it all, I'm not going to secure it. But lift this up, put the board over in the corner, and roll my table slash little storage area in the area. Now, the only thing that I dislike is that, you know, the cubes are underneath. And you got to do a lot of bending down to look in there and find your stuff. I just wish it was a little bit taller for me. But it will do for now. I'm just happy to be able to have a nice little desk. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Give me a like, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another DIY.